Hey everyone, Eric here from Evernet Consulting. Today we're continuing our hands-on series with Practice Panther, a leader in legal practice management software. Today we're going to be covering Matter Manager and contacts. Let's dive in. Okay, we're at practicepanther.com. We will log in. We're not prompted for username, password, or multi-factor authentication today, so there you go. Okay, so we're at our home page and we've already covered the entire home page. So today we're going to go right into Matters. We are going to hit the new button. Okay, from the new Matter screen, we have the first selection is contact. So you need to give the matter a contact. We will click add a contact. Here's what a new contact screen looks like. We can add a company or an individual. They are different. So let me add a company. We'll say Evernet Consulting LLC. We'll say Eric Buhrendorf, 860-656-7810. There's a question mark. You can get SMS reminders for tasks or events. I will put my number here. Office email here, and we can see show more information. We can put an address here. We are 100 Pearl Street, 14th floor, Hartford, Connecticut, 06103. We can put tags for better organization when we get to it. The status, active or archived. We can, if you have client numbering or contact numbering, choose any number for this contact. When you create your next client, it will automatically be incremented. So some billing systems require contacts to have a number to them. So that will help with your billing system. There is a client portal with Practice Panther, and this is where we would configure our client portal settings. Show unpaid invoices, yes. Show paid invoices, show account balances. Why would that be off? Show all payments, send payment reminders, sure. And what are the sync settings here? Show or hide this contact in your email, labels, and box documents. Let's skip that for now. So we'll click Save. So is the contact Evernet Consulting or is the contact Eric? I guess in this case, select an existing or create. Okay, so we're going to be trained all the way through. The matter name, we'll just say office building purchase. Evernet is purchasing an office building. There's a note for the matter. Custom fields, if we have custom fields, we can create them on the fly, which is nice. Billing, matter rate, user hourly rate. Here are the billing options. User hourly rate, the default rate that each user charges per hour. So I being the logged in Practice Panther user would be the user hourly rate. The matter hourly rate, custom hourly rate, rates for this matter. So we can set that the rate at the matter level. Custom hourly rate, pre-designed hourly rates created in your settings page. Flat rate, you bill the client for a flat amount, not by the hour. Item price, the hourly rate will be set to the price of the item selected when adding a time entry. Or contingency fee, the fee is paid contingent upon money awarded, not by the hour. So pretty simple and pretty complete billing option. An evergreen retainer, this feature makes sure you don't keep working if the account balance goes below the amount you set. If it does, then you ask your client for another retainer payment to continue working. So that's pretty nice. Statute of limitations, open date we'll say is today. The close date I think we'll leave open for now. Assigned to, so you need a party assigned. This gives you or another person automatic notifications. You can also add a security role, so only people assigned to this will be able to view it. So I'm creating the matter, so I'm the de facto assignee. The originating attorney. This is an optional field if you want to keep track or pay this attorney for clients they brought in. Some tags, add a tag. Tags are useful. We'll see for various filtering and searching. The status of the file. The status is closed. It will not be shown on the calendar. The status is open. The matter number. And again, external billing systems will require contacts and matters to have unique numbers, which is very important to configure early on. Show sync settings, show or hide this matter in your email labels and box. So we'll play with that later. So we will hit save. And here is what a matter looks like. Let's take a look. So we have the settings that we just set on the matter main tab, the about, the contact information, the billing, dates. You'll see that I entered a company and a contact at the same time, and the contact is listed as Evernet Consulting, with me being the primary contact. Okay, so here's our list of matters. You'll see the office building purchase for Evernet Consulting, the assignees and various information. If we hit the home page, you'll see this also down here. This is in the recent activity. So this is just a running activity log. I created a new matter, created a new contact. I cleaned up some contacts on my tests. So we go to the matter manager. Here's the list of matters based on the default filters, any user, originated by any user, status open. Here's tags if we wanted to do some filtering based on tags. So here's our first matter. If I click on that, you'll see we have up top here the matter tab, which is the summary information, the contacts on the matter with the primary and the company, and the address information and contact information. Notes are pretty straightforward. It's always about linking, right? Linking the contact, the matter, subject, possible issues, private. When we click here to hide the details of this event, task, or note from other users in your firm. Okay, so we would say there may be an issue with the groundwater because it's a real estate file. And that is a note. Oh, we can hit save and add a time entry, or we can just save the note. So there is a note record. We're going to wait on activities for another day. We'll do another video on the activities, task, event, call, and email. I just made a note. Messages, we're going to have to do a deep dive on the messages. We'll keep doing videos on each level of the matter because the matter is the biggest entity. You'll see at the top of the matter the balances relating to the account, the contact and the client and the matter. And again, the privacy hides that information. I think that's really cool. Thanks for watching. I'm Eric Buhrendorf, CEO of Evernet Consulting. You've watched Hands-On with Practice Panther, and we did a deep dive of the Matter Manager. I hope you liked it. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. If I missed anything or you want a closer look, let me know in the comments and we will do a video on that. Have a great day.